Habayakran bagi nong pathai khubor uba AL hack uloong bo udang si opdiang ya kakai pot na katanat sorkar bagi don gisnong ki bagi sniang kila syakta na jingpang African Swine Flu. Uloong ba kata kani jingpang gadai tang hakikat to kani kijaka bagi sorkar kila shimkhia ban khang ban kit sniang na gini kijaka kila syakta. Uba AL hack uloong bakam dan setia kanu jingkhang ban syodo ne bande kisniang negi masi. Ndai gide ban ot no ya kido tang ya kitu gibokot bakhya hadin bladab examen degi doktor. Ban spin kan mau kiladon katuk ni kisnong haga district Ribhoi, haga Eastern West Khasi Hills, ha West Khasi Hills but South West Khasi Hills. Haga bagi sniang kilayo aga jingpang African Swine Flu, bat ki Deputy Commissioner kila penmi ko hukum balamana persya ban kit nasyalan ni kisniang syagiwai pat kijaka. Kum kajing shim kisenja mantek lakam bahkan ni kajingpang kan om sapriang. Haga bedai bagi jingpang ki masi naga lumpy skin disease. Uba AL hack ulong bahkan ni kajingpang ki masi kedai kabamla banyu adawai. Nrela susumar ya kidak kisyen ki bami ha kamet jaki masi. La ban kedau bagi ni kajingpang kalakta bon teli kijaka kentup ha bagi masi kelayo agani kajingpang. Ha kawai pat kaliang uba AL hack ulong boleh yo jingtip bagi don ki masi ki balayap akathan pentor umkra. Hendri om patip ikadau tenrai halur kajingyap jong kini ki masi.
So also DC of the Ribhoi district hereby passed the prohibitory order on recommendations of the district AHL veterinary officer. Ribhoi do hereby declare the following areas as a containment zone and do prohibit until the further orders. The containment zone here is places is so the reports received have also indicated cases of death of pigs at Sauriang, Madan Nonglakyat, Baulingkung, and Salai Ular villages under the Ribhoi district. So these 4 areas has been declared as a containment zone. So the rapid response team will immediately send to make containment for that area and immediately to take the immediate measures how to stop to exit and entry into the containment area and containment zone or bringing or taking out of the livestock from that particular farms. So that is the latest given by the department. Gitingi ang may kumle na mabampat kang diban bandi ga sniang ito masih ya kasiya pun kang tingin mula bandi gi papang gi dia bitangi gitu gi badang tai dong kya kataru it is sent only after the verification of the veterinary doctor of that particular area. You have to see the health condition of the livestock. So far in Meghalaya is under control.
How many?
That's why the government of the Assam also, they have declared to allow the exportations of live pigs in the throughout Assam in the northeastern state. This is the notification on the 2nd June only. When 2nd June is only 5 years back. So this is yet we have to follow the SOP. That's all only. So it has already been declared by the government of Assam. After observed the SOP dated 2nd June 2023.